Okay, very good. I think we can continue now. Yeah, let's continue. Give me a moment. All right, I've started recording. So, as I was saying, it is very important. It is very important for you to have a website as a business right now. And if you're trying to build maybe a career out of it, you want to start designing website for people. It is actually even much more important for you to know these stuffs, right? So because here is the thing, let's say you as a business owner, let's say Oikachi Precious, let's say she has a business, maybe probably she sells all these people that sell shoes online and all that stuff, and you want to be different from people that just post things on their WhatsApp. You want to have a website for yourself, right? So you can actually design your own website by yourself. If you design your own website by yourself, right? Let's say tomorrow you need to upload a new product, you need to upload a new picture, or you need to change something on your website. You will just jump on it and do it by yourself. Do you understand? Most of the clients that I work with, if they want to do any other thing on their website, I will have to charge them extra amount so that I can do that changes for them. I also charge them every month for. I also charge them every month for what do you call, for maintenance. And what am I doing in maintenance? I'm probably updating WordPress or updating some plugin or doing that or doing this. And all those plugins are free, for God's sake. And I'm probably charging them some amount every month just for maintenance, right? So if you actually know this, it is very, very good if you know this and you can do this stuff by yourself. So I want to show you guys something before we continue with today's class. And let me tell you something, it's going to blow your mind. It's really, really going to blow your mind. Now, someone asked a very, very important question. Okay. Sorry about the breakage. People are trying to join and I'm trying to. All right. Someone asked a very important question in the beginning of this class, before we started the class at all, day one of this class. He said everything that I mentioned, that will it be possible for us to finish everything in just 4 days? And the answer is no. It's a very big fat no. Do you understand? There are a lot of things that I do. Of course, by the ending of this class today, you will see we are going to design a very beautiful website, and you'll be proud. You'll be proud as regards what you have learned. But I want to show you guys the next step forward. Do you understand? Step by step, exactly how I do my web design consultancy. I start. Okay, let me take you a little bit down memory lane. I think I started web design consultancy about, I think, roughly about 2 years ago. 1.5 years, yeah, 1.5 years. I think it's 1.5 years. Yeah, I knew I started when we left school, early 2019. Is it up to 1.5 years? I don't know, sha. So when we left school, about 3 months after we finished from school, sha, that was when I started. So I started designing website for Nigerian businesses. Do you understand? So that was where I gathered a lot of experiences that I have. A lot of my experiences I gathered there. I gathered it designing website for people. Of course, I started designing website for my friends. When I started, I reached out to my friends that they have businesses. I said, okay, guys, you know what? I'm going to build you a website for free. All you just have to do is to pay for the domain and pay for this and pay for that. But I'll build it for you absolutely free. So I started building it for them, and I started using their own to practice. Started getting feedback from them. So I got very good. So when I got very good, yes, when I turned Jagaban, then I started asking people to pay me to build website for them. That was how I started. This thing, I started it on my own. The whole logic behind it. In fact, the word web design consultancy, I coined it myself. So I came up with this whole strategy myself, and it works. Do you understand? It works. So I'm saying, if you are hoping to maybe start designing website for people and start getting paid from it, then I think you might want to listen to what I have to say. You might want to listen to what I have, because I've been doing this for, several months now, more than 18 months, right? So I want to show you something right now, and then you have to calm down. What I do is that I use digital marketing to find clients, which is like crazy. How many of you know digital marketing? Have you heard of digital marketing before? If you have heard of digital marketing, just type something. Just type yes in the chat section. Type yes in the chat section if you've heard of digital marketing. Okay, very good. Now I want to tell you something very smart. I'm a very sneaky person. I want to tell you something very smart right now. Now this is how. Okay, maybe let me just give you a brief explanation of what digital marketing is. Let's say one day you are just scrolling through your Facebook or you are watching YouTube videos. Maybe you are watching. I like Naira Marley a lot, so I watch Naira Marley videos. Don't mind me. So let's say you are just watching one Naira Marley video like that, and then you just see this guy Ty Lopez, or or Jason Capital, or just a random YouTube ad. It will just pop in your face, and then you'll be like, this annoying ad. Then you have to wait for 5 seconds before you skip and all that stuff. So those are online advertisement. It is done through digital marketing. My own personal favorite, I think I like Facebook advertisement much more than YouTube advertisement or Google advertisement. Here is why, depending on the niche in which you are working with. So Facebook is a social media platform, and then they have tremendous data about you. Yes, they have tremendous data about you. If you look at my Facebook timeline, right, the kind of post that they suggest to me, apart from what what my friends post around, the new pictures my friend post, the kind of post they show to me is tailored to my taste, the kind of person I am, how I have been relating with Facebook. If you are a sports kind of guy, if you like football, you will see that they will keep showing you things that they are related to football. The same thing with YouTube. YouTube uses the same kind of algorithm. When you're on your YouTube and you are watching something on YouTube, let's say this morning you just search BBN Niger, Big Brother Niger. You are watching highlights on Big Brother Niger. You will see that when you come back tomorrow, the suggested video that they will give you will be about Big Brother Niger. So they know what you like, they know what you have been relating. Me now, I'm a person, I like computer, I like phones, I like gadgets, I like I'm not really a clothes kind of person. I don't really fancy buying fancy clothes. I'm a jean and polo shirts kind of person with my sneakers. I'm good to go. Do you understand? I like computers, I like gadgets generally. I'm a web design guy, I'm a web developer. I'm into marketing, I'm into content strategy and all those stuff. So if they want, I'm into video editing too. If they want to show me any advertisement, they will show me advertisement that is tailored to my taste, what I really like. They will show me contents that are tailored to what I really like. Do you understand? Now, for example, now my sister, when she sees all these relationship posts, that they will say that they will carve one relationship story like that they will say one man like that and one woman, she likes to read something like that. And then she likes she's a nursing mother. My sister is a nursing mother. Do you understand? So she reads stuff about babies, right? She also likes shoes. She likes bag. So when she sees a picture of a very cute bag on Facebook, she probably likes it. If she sees a picture of a cute baby, she likes it. Do you understand? So if they want to show her something, they will probably show her Jumia advertisement on new shoes, because they know that is her interest. She is much more likely to click on something like that and actually buy that kind of stuff. That is how powerful digital marketing is, and that's how powerful Facebook is, right? So here is the sneaky part, and this is what I do. This is what I do, right? And this was how I got my online clients that paid me some money. I told you about, I think 3 months ago, I made more than, I think when I counted, it was around 1.3 million. Like about 1.3 million or something. Do you understand? This was how I got it. Now I will place an advertisement telling people that this is what I can do, and I will show them what I can do on web design. Do you understand? I will now target people that are, get this, business owners, people that have been relating to Facebook or digital marketing course that are related to business owners. Number one, maybe if you have ever searched or related with anything that is related to web design on Facebook or on Google, or if you've ever done anything that is related to, let's say, e-commerce or whatever, that is what I'm going to put in my search terms. There's a way you do that in web design. In fact, a typical digital marketing course goes for like, I think the last one we did in my office, because I also teach digital marketing in my office, where when I say my office, I mean where I'm currently serving in Port Harcourt. I think it was about 50,000 naira that we collect for digital marketing course. About 50,000 naira. Web design. Our web design course is about I think 70k or something. I've forgotten. I'm not really sure. It's been a while, coronavirus and all that stuff. So I will use that to target people that are interested, that are business owners, they do e-commerce, they sell stuff, online selling, something. I will target those people, and then I can choose any country in the whole world that I want to target. If I want client from UK, I'll just put UK. If I want client from whatever, I will just put that country, and then they will show my advertisements to them. Do you understand? To people in that country alone that are specifically interested in web design, that are specifically business owners, that they might probably need someone to design a website for them. And guess what? You just have to sit around in your house. Maybe even when you are sleeping, even when you are watching whatever you are watching, even when you are eating, your advertisement is showing, and you just wake up and you just see that you've already received clients, and then you negotiate with them, you negotiate price, and then you design a website for them, and you get paid soft. Do you understand? So that's the sneaky part. That is kind of what I do. So I get to sit down in my house and money fall on me. Or let's say client fall on me. I don't understand. But I just noticed something that during this COVID period, the spike in the number of people that are looking for web designers that's actually increased, because a lot of schools, they've shut down now. Do you understand? A lot of businesses, they had to shut down because of COVID. And I noticed something. Businesses that have website and they have online presence, they are just the one making the serious money. So a lot of businesses, they've noticed that too, and then they are trying to get online as fast as possible. So that is why people that are designing websites, they are really, really swimming in money right now. Like, they are swimming in clients. Do you understand? So I can tell you and assure you that this is the best time for you to be a web designer. And I can also tell you that if you are looking to design one for your own business, this is the best time for you to have a website. So I'm asking you, would you rather pay someone 50,000 naira or 70,000 naira to build it, or would you rather build it yourself? You understand? That's the question. And I think the wise one will probably want to learn how to build it themselves. And I think that is why we are here, right? About 23 of us are on this call right now. I want to believe that these are the ones that are really, 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 really serious about this thing. So, and then apart from just websites, this is what I do, all those sweet emails. How many of you like the emails that you've been receiving all this while? They're automatic. It's not as if I'm sending it to you one by one. No, I just schedule it. That's why I tell you by 3 o'clock you are going to get it. You understand? Because by 3 o'clock, that is when the automation, it has been set. Everything is automatic. Do you understand? Everything has been set automatic. They call it email marketing. There's also something called SMS marketing. There's also something called sales chat robots. I don't know if you guys, have I told you guys about sales chat robots before? I think I should even show you something. I don't know. Let me see. Let me try and see if I can pull it up. Sorry, just give me a moment. Give me about 30 seconds to look for it. Give me a moment, please. Okay. Okay. Just give me a moment. Oh, am I sharing my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Can you see my screen? Please let me know if you can see my screen.
No.
Oh. Well, really? Let me fix that. I'm coming. Anyway, sure. Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen. Please let me know if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. I'm trying to pull up something. Where's Nova University? Yeah, University. Hope you can still see my screen.
Nope.
Can you see my screen?
No. We can't see it.
Hey, what's going on? I'm coming. Give me a while. Okay. My phone battery is low. I don't die. Hey, Jesus is low. Okay. Okay, very good. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Let me know if you can see it so that we can proceed. I really need to show you guys something.
Okay, we're on now.
Okay, where are you go now? Okay, very good. Let me show you something. There is something called Sales Chat Robot. God damn. Okay, there's something called Sales Chat Robot. Let me just show you. Let me give you an example of one sales chat robot that I designed like that. Sales chat robots are just like they chat with your customers and sell your stuff even when you are sleeping. Even when you are not there, they talk to your customers and they do all the sales for you. So I hope you can. This one works directly with it works directly with Messenger, right? Okay, so it's a sales chat robot, something like that. This one is actually to sell cosmetic products. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of long reach. When other people are struggling to do network marketing, I kind of devise this amazing means in which I do my stuff, and it's just good to be creative, and this one has made me a lot of money, like a lot of money. I don't want to mention figures right now, so that you won't be thinking I'm boss. I won't be thinking I'm a boss. All right. Don't let me start mentioning figures. All right, you can see, and then let's say I'm interested in this particular product now. I can click on learn more. So what's going on? Okay, so if I click on learn more, there was a temporary that's probably network. Okay, something is going on here. So if you click on order on WhatsApp, it will send them directly to my WhatsApp, and then they can chat with me and all that kind of stuff. So pretty solid stuff. This is exactly what I want to show you. So the step-by-step of how I do that, I have actually created a course on Nova University. Remember that Nova University is meant for me to the point of Nova University is such that if you have a skill and you are really doing well with it, just come around. And I'm also imploring you guys. Let's say you have a skill that you are very good with. I know Mr. Alo Timothy is a boss. Like he can do anything. He can do and undo. So if you have a skill, it was like I was speaking to him the other time, and he said he would like to partner with Nova University to do something too. So guys, just watch out. We are coming up with amazing content for you guys. Amazing skill. Mr. Timothy is boss. I mean, he's boss. So maybe we do give away for us. I don't know. What I'm saying is that if you have a skill and you really want to help, so you can also contact me so that I can put your content on Nova University, and then people all around the world. I mean, we have students from Uganda, we have students from Ghana. Do you understand? I think we have about one student from Kenya, like all over the world. That's the kind of impact that Nova University is generating, and we can do that together, guys. Right? We can do that together. So if you also, I have to say all this because today is the last day. So we might probably not stop by 9 o'clock today. So just bear with me. So it's very important. Now I want to show you guys this. This is the course on Nova University. So everything is already there. Everything step by step. How I do my stuff is already there. Introduction, that's module 1. Module 2 is introduction to web design. Everything I taught in this course, in this masterclass, in this 4 days masterclass, it has already been clearly stated here, even in more details. Do you understand how web works and domain explained inside, inside the your Google data, whatever, how to purchase domain and hosting. Right now we are working on local host, but how you can actually purchase your own domain and hosting, everything is there. Install WordPress, configure Ocean WP and everything. And also check this out. Yes, how you can create a chatbot is here as well, right? How you can create a chatbot, how you can, let me see, there's something I actually want to show you. Okay, email marketing. All those sweet Nova University email that you are getting all this while, those automatic email that you are seeing that are beautifully made, everything, how I do them, everything is here. And it's video content, guys. It is video content. And then the banger, like the greatest banger. Yeah, here is kind of like why I actually love what I did here. Now, how you can create a designs on Canva or something, and then using digital marketing to find high-paying clients. This is it. Using digital marketing to find out high-paying clients. How you can create a Facebook business account. How you can create a traffic advertisement, and then activating your business account, and then targeting where the magic happens. Remember when I told you that Facebook can actually target you because they know who you are and all those kind of stuff. So exactly how you can make that happen, I've already listed everything in this course, right? And it's on Nova University. You can check it out. Web design consultancy. And I know the question that is going through your mind right now, is it free? Of course it is not free. It is not free. Let me show you something. I want to show you something. I will open a new tab right now. In fact, God will be okay. I want to show you something so that you can see the price, because I'm already logged into my own account right now, but I want to show you something so that you can see the price, right? Okay, very good. Now here's the thing, 20k. So the price is 20,000 naira. Do you understand? Calm down. So I'm in Port Harcourt right here, and an average web design course goes for like 50k. Do you understand? So for people on the street, for people that are not my students, 20k is not actually a very big money, because a lot of people, they jump at this offer when they see it. But here is what I will do personally. I would sponsor just 20 people. Just 20 people, that's all. I can't afford more than 20 people, right? Because I will be sponsoring that personally from my own money. I'll sponsor just 20 people, right? And then you are going to get, there will probably be a coupon code. Now that coupon code is only allowed, because I've programmed everything automatically. That coupon code will only accommodate just 20 people. And it will take this from 20k that it is right now. This is about... okay, don't worry, I can. It will take it from this 20k that it is right now to about, I think about 5,000 naira, 5,000 ish, 5,000 naira plus. So that coupon code will erase this 20,000 naira, and it will take it to 5,000 naira. Do you understand? And it only works for 20 people. Once 20 people capacity has been reached, it will stop working. I will send a link, maybe probably today or tomorrow, I don't know. When I send the link, you will put your email. You will request for the coupon. So when you request for the special code, it will be sent to your email, and then you can come and apply the code here. So when you apply the code here, you just click on buy this course. When you click on buy this course, you are going to register. After you register, you put your stuff. Let's say put your whatever, I don't know. So I just want to show you, I think. Oh, I'm not showing anything now. You can see it later, but everything is pretty standard. It is straightforward. So after you've done that, what I just want to tell you is that it stops working after the 20th person has applied the code. Do you understand? It will stop working, and then you might have no choice. If you really want to get it, you just go with the 20k. But if you really want to get this, it's just 5k. So 5k ish, not 5k. I think that's $14. Convert $14 to naira. However, that is the amount. Do you understand? So I think we should I just really want to show you guys this. right? I want to show you guys this. If you want to move to the next step, if you really want to learn all these things, of course I will teach you how you can build very beautiful websites. But if you want to take it a step further, like if you want to really know how all this works, I think this is a course for you to take. Do you understand? So I will drop a link on the WhatsApp group where you can request for your coupon and then you can apply it. But note, once the 20th person has applied for it, I think about 280 something of us are in this class. On my email list, I have about 280 something persons. So, and then just 20 of you guys is going to get this discount, right? Once the 20th person has applied the code and has used it to purchase the course, do you understand? It will stop working. So let's go into today's class. God bless you. Sorry, I'm a talker. I like to talk a lot. Open your XAMPP, everybody. So let's open our XAMPP and let's see where we are. How many of you like my wallpaper? Do you like my wallpaper? Do you guys like my wallpaper? Tell me now. My wallpaper is cool. Yes, it's a lifetime access. Miss Oluwagbemisola Olaniyan. It's a lifetime access till you die. Even if you want to give it to your generation, descendants, to what to. So yeah, it is. You guys that are typing yes, you like my wallpaper. It's a very nice gun. I know, right? It's a very sexy gun. Okay, very good. Oh man, I'm a video game guy. I play PUBG a lot, so that's why I like guns. Okay, let's go. So what's the name of your website? Just do localhost slash I think the name of my website is shaku, and then you have to do WP admin. You have to add WP admin. Localhost shaku slash WP admin. Do you understand? It will take you to your dashboard. I've not started my example, sorry. Okay, hope you guys are still with me. Are you guys with me? Okay, very good. Hope you guys are with me. Yeah, Alabi, Mr. Alabi Abdul. I can't pronounce this. Yes, it's a sniper. Thank you very much. It's a sniper rifle. I think that is like 6 times scope or 8 times scope. I'm not sure. It's a sniper. All right, let's go. Don't mind me. I'm a very playful person. The people that know me very well, they will know that I'm very playful and I like doing arrow. Okay, so I'm waiting for my website to load up. As your website loaded up, guys. My own is still loading. No, I don't know. Someone's okay. Damn, and it has loaded up. Jesus Christ. Shaku, I think. Remember me, login. I hope I'm not forgetting my login. Okay, very good. I'm in. Guys, I'm in. Are you guys in too? Are you ready to go? Are you guys ready to go? Okay, very good. I will take that as a yes. So what we are going to do right now is there are some things we need to install to be able to go. Remember that we have already installed Ocean WP yesterday. Now it's saying right now you should see this notice on your dashboard telling you that this team recommends you to have the following plugin, Ocean Extra. Let's install this Ocean Extra first. Don't click it from here. If you don't have this notice, don't worry. Just go to plugins over here. Go to plugins. Click on add new. Click on add new. Add new. All right. Are you guys doing that now? Click on add new. So after you clicked on add new, this is where you can install a lot of plugins. Plugins makes our life easy. They makes our life easier. Do you understand? They are like applications that you install on your Android phone. they give your website more functionality. So just search for Ocean. Just search for Ocean Extra. That's what we are looking for. But when you search for Ocean, it should bring all the oceans it has for you. And then Ocean Extra. And then Ocean Extra is the very first one here. Ocean Extra. So install Ocean Extra. Install Ocean Extra. Alright, install Ocean Extra. It is still installing, right? While that is installing, just leave that one. That is the only one we need for now. That's the only one we need for now. So what I will actually do is to open something else in the new. Alright, it is installing. It is still installing, guys. Immediately after this thing finish installing, remember you need to be connected to the internet to install plugins too. When you want to install a new theme or you want to install plugins, right? Make sure you are connected to the internet, right? Also, don't forget, I gave you guys one site yesterday, Colorlib. Colorlib, right? Colorlib is very good, guys. You should make use of Colorlib. Make use of Colorlib. You can download a lot of themes from there. And this thing is still installing. I don't know. This thing is wasting my time. Alright. Okay, you know what? Just come over here. Come over this shaku. This is your site name. And right click on it and then open in a new tab. So that we can continue. While this is still doing its installing thing, just open that in a new tab. So when you open that in a new tab, you are going to get this. You are going to get here. So when you get here, I hope you guys are here with me. When you get here, what you need to do is to click on customize. Let's do that very fast. Click on customize. Let me show you guys magic right now. I want to show you magic. Click on customize. Well, what just happened? This thing logged me out. I'm coming. Just log in back. If it logs you back out, just log in back. Okay, this thing has finished. It has finished installing. Just activate. Click on activate. See life. Where? Jesus is Lord. Hey, what's going on here? Okay, guys, please give me a while. Let me sort this out. I don't know why this thing is logging me out. Maybe it's because I'm trying to open two concurrent windows, but it shouldn't be. Let's see. Okay, very good. Now I'm in, right? So let's do visit site now. So when I get to visit site, then I'm back here. I hope you guys are here with me. Are you guys here with me? Just click on customize. So when you click on customize, Jesus is Lord. Are you guys having the same problem I'm having? Is anybody having the same problem I'm having here? Guys, are you having the same problem I'm having right now? Is it logging you out as well? Hey, pray for me. I'm coming. Let me see. Okay, so it's still loading. Okay, very good. I think I'm good to go now, guys. I'm good to go. Okay, very good. So the first thing we want to do is to do this site identity. Come to site identity. This is where you can customize a lot of things about your website. Come to site identity. So when you open your site identity, remember what I told you about the elegance is beautiful, shaku. If you want to change your site name, change it to my website or whatever your business name is. You can change it here. Do you understand? So, and it will be displayed right here, right? And also, if you want to display a site icon, do you know what site icons is? Or what a site icon is? Look at this right here. This is a site icon. Come over here. Let me show you something. Let me show you what site icons are. This Google Meet icon right here, that's a site icon. Look at this little heart right here that is on Nova University. That's a site icon. This messenger thing, that's a site icon. So if you have a site icon, preferably a PNG image, just click on upload site, upload whatever, and then go to your library and look for a picture. Look for your your site icon. Let's say I want to use this art image. I will drag it and I will upload it. I will drag and drop it. Do you understand? Immediately after I upload that, then I will click select. It should probably ask me, oh, I don't know. Now, guys, look at this. Now look at the site right here. You can see that the icon has already changed because I just uploaded a site icon. Do you understand? It's actually very important for you to have a site icon. It makes your website look more professional. So have a site icon. Then after you've done that, please always publish your changes. Always publish your changes. So publish your changes, so bad things happen. So after you've done, then you are sure that your changes have been published. If you want to change something, but I'm not working with colors now. I want to show you something else. Right. Let us do menus. Go to menus right here. Go to menus. Open menus. So when you open menu, hope you guys are with me. Open menu. Have you opened menu? Yes, you have. Now click on create new menu. We have not created any menu right now. Click on create new menu. All right, and then we want to make that our main menu. We want to make it our main menu, and we also want to make it our mobile menu. Just click on mobile menu, or you might not even click about it. Click on it. So name it whatever you like, shaku shaku menu, whatever menu. But me, I want to name my own main menu. It makes it easier for me to remember. But whatever you choose to name it, that's your own problem. Right. So after you are done, let us add items to our menu. Just click on add items. Now, this menu is kind of like, okay, what are the things in which you would want in your the pages in which you want in your website? Let's say for a normal website, you are going to have maybe the home page. Home is the first thing. You probably have home, right? Okay, no, not home. Let's say you want okay, we already have home. We already have home here. You want services. Guys, give me an idea now. What other thing do we want in our menu? What other things do we have in a when you want to design a website? I think we have about us. Give me ideas, please. Give me ideas. Mute your microphone and talk. Just talk. I want to hear. I'm running out of ideas here. Is anyone hearing me?
Contact us.
Very good. Products, services. Okay, very good. Let's say contact us. Contact us. We probably want to put, let's say, products. And so on and so forth. Let's just leave this one for now. All right. Then after we are done, let's publish our changes and then see. So our menu is right here. It is right here. But I don't like this. I want to rearrange it. I want. Oh, I did not add home. Okay. Okay, very good. So I want maybe about us. So this is. Remove this. I want home to be in the front, and I want contact us to follow, or maybe I want no. I want contact us to follow. I want about us to be before services. No, you drag and arrange them the way you want. Do you understand? And if you want products to be under services, you drag products up. Do you understand? And then you make it indented a little bit. So when you make it indented a little bit, so it will be under services. Do you understand? So if you publish your changes right now, just publish your changes. Oh, and then we have two homes here. I have to remove this home. Okay. I need to remove this home, guys. Sorry. Just chill. I need to remove it. Okay, very good. I think we are good to go now. We are good to go. Our header is looking beautiful now. Check this out. So when you hover on services, you are going to see product under it. because I've already indented product a little bit here. So publish your changes. Always make sure your changes are published. Then get out of there. Get out of there. Go back to the main menu. The next thing we want to do, see this home here, this bar here, I don't like it. I want to remove this title, this thing that is saying home here, and also this big one that is on top. Actually, it's not that bad. Actually, you can have it, and you might not have it. Let me show you. I actually have it on my own website. If you come here and you see and you see Nova University, this is it. It's color black, and I have my phone number, my support at novauniversity.org, profile, login, logout. So that's what I have here. That is that little bar. Before we now have the transparent header. Do you understand? You can also create transparent headers, right? So if you want that, of course, fine, you can leave it and put your content there. But if you don't want it, you can remove it. You can remove it. So let's go. You can go to top bar. Let's remove this first. Go to top bar. Go to general and then enable top bar. Just uncheck it. Uncheck enable top bar. So when you uncheck enable top bar, that is gone. Click on published. And then go back, and then let's see. I think the next thing I want to do is go to general options. Go to page title. All right, go to page title and then come here, style. What I want to do is to remove this home. Come to style, open it and click on hidden. Do you understand? Yes. So immediately you click on hidden, the thing is gone. It's gone. Just go ahead and publish. Go ahead and publish and then get out of there. Hope you guys, are you guys with me? Hope I'm not talking to myself. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Okay, very good. Very good. Let's continue. So there are a lot of settings you can do, guys. General. So I just want you to go here when you are less busy. Just keep touring here and keep messing with stuffs. Do you understand? You can see this is general styling, WP8, primary colors, over colors, site background. If you want to select an image background, put image background, link color. Just come here and get creative. In fact, there are a lot of them. I can't cover everything here. Pagination scroll to the top. This scroll to the top, there's one little, see this particular button here, so that when you click it, it takes you directly back to the top. That's what it's talking about here. Scroll to the top. How do you want it to look? Do you want it to look like this? If you click on this, so it will change. It will change to this. Do you understand? If you want to change the size, the button position, if you want to change the button size, do you understand? If you want to change the icon size, hope you guys are seeing the changes here. Just keep watching. I need to accept this. Someone is requesting to join. Okay, very good. Let's go. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we can continue now. So also border radius, background. If you want to change the background is like this now. Let's say you are building a website and then the general theme color of that website is blue or red or something. It would be weird for you to have it as black or something. Maybe you just want to do styling. Just come over here and change the color. Just click on color and then you have this color palette, and then you can change the color to whatever the hell you like. Do you understand? You can change it to whatever you like. And so that's the background color. The over color, you can change the over color to, let's say you want to change the over color. Over color means when people over it, when they bring mouse over it, it will change color to green. I set the over color here. You can do the same as well. And also what else? Okay, the icon color, I think this is the icon color. All right, so I set the icon color to be red. Now you can see that the icon color is now red. I don't want to waste time on this little thing, so just click on publish. After you are done, you are satisfied with how this thing look, so just click on publish and get out of there. A lot of other things you can come and set here, but let's go back to the general page. We still have a lot of much more amazing things to do. Right, now let's go to header. Guys, go to header. Okay, before I go to header, typography is when you want to send font. You want to set your font, you want to set how everything will look, you want to set how, you want to set your font, your breadcrumbs, your headings. You want to set fonts, you want to set let me show you. You want to set font weight, how bold it's going to be, your fonts are going to be. That is heading 1. I'm dealing with heading 1 here. All those big headings, I'm dealing with heading 1 here. So you can set the custom size, you can set the line height, you can set your font color here. A lot of settings here, guys. So if you want to do anything here, they are all here in typography, as the name suggests. Also, header. Check out header. Let's go to header right now. Header is very beautiful. Let me show you magic right here. So header, this is what they call header. This is our header, this thing right here. Click on general. So what kind of header do you want? There are a lot of headers here. Do you want a transparent header? Let me show you what a transparent header looks like. See this Nova University. See Nova University. This is a transparent header. You can see that you can kind of see behind the image behind, and it can be stylish sometimes. It can be very stylish sometimes. Do you understand? So, and this is an example of a transparent header. If you want something like this, yes, of course, you can select it to be a transparent header, and then your header will become transparent. You are not really you can see the transparency too. Now this is a website, it's supposed to be under, but then it's now transparent. Do you understand? But in this case, I don't want a transparent header. You can have it as a top menu, right? You can have it as a top menu, and it is changing like this. I don't like that. It doesn't look that fine. You can have full screen. Do you understand? You can have full screen such that when you click on this thing, everything will take over your screen. I don't like that as well. You can have center, right? You can have center, and then this is how it looks. I mean, this looks very horrible. I don't like this. And the medium vertical custom header, but minimal is good. I mean, let's just stick with minimal. And then let's say you want to change the header height. You can increase the header height right here. You can increase the header height. And if you want a bottom border or a header full width or whatever, just disable the bottom border or enable the bottom border. Now, background color. What kind of background color do you want? Do you want a yellow background? You can change your color here, or put your own color code, custom color code here, or just drag and take a color that is any color that you like, right? Let's just go back to white, please. Let's say you want to make it a little bit dark or something like this. Okay, this is good. This is good. Of course, you can do this thing as you like, right? You can just go ahead and mess with it and see whatever. And then when you are good, just click on publish. After you are done, let's go back to yes, mobile logo. Now, instead of having this my website here, let's change it to a logo. This is where you are going to upload a logo. Do I have any logo to upload for you guys? Let me see if I can get a logo. Okay, very good. I have a logo. Okay, this Nova University logo. Oh, by the way, this Nova University logo, I created it myself. Do you understand? I created it myself in the course that I introduced to you guys the other time. Please, can you mute your microphone? That person, mute your microphone, please. Please mute your microphone. Thank you very much. So I made this logo, I made it myself. Do you understand? Perfectly for free. The way I did that, it's already inside the course. It's one of the lectures in the course. So you can take a look at it. So just click on enter. So when you click on enter, it will ask you to crop your logo. And if you want to crop, you can crop your logo. If you don't want to crop, you can click on script cropping. But then I think I will crop. I want to crop. So just crop it nice and clean. Okay, I want to crop my logo nice and clean. Very good. So let's click on crop image. Then after you crop your image, then it will change. It will remove this my website of a thing, and then you will have your logo right here. It's not looking very good right now, but we can sorry, we can mess with the height and the width right here. You understand? Is this all right? Maximum line height. I think, let's see. I think this is good. Yes. Yeah, this is good. So when you have your logo, you put your logo here. Then after you are done, let's see something. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you what we call responsiveness. Responsiveness means how your website looks on different devices, on a mobile phone, on a desktop, or on a tablet. Now, I want to give you this rule of thumb. This rule of thumb means mobile first. Mobile first. Always make sure your website looks very good on mobile first, because about 80% of your website visitors, they are on their phone, not on their laptop. Do you understand? And very, 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 very few of them will be on their tablets. I don't know. I mean, it's been a while since I see people who really browse on their tablets like that. So, but then you can see this this control panel over here in the bottom. When you click on this tablet icon, it will show you the tablet view. This is how your website is going to look on tablet. And this is not too big. I think I like it. It's not bad. You understand? This is how it's going to look on tablets, right? And if you click on phone, it will show you how it's going to look on phone. Now it's looking a little bit weird. It's looking a little bit weird right now. Oh, I think I had. No, I did not use Canva. I did not. Aliyu, Abdulmajid Aliyu. I did not use Canva. I used another tool. I used another tool to design the logo. Do you understand? When you are using Canva, you cannot get PNG images. You cannot get PNG logo for free. Your image will probably have. Okay, who is that? Okay, very good. Hope you guys can still see my screen. Hope you guys can still see my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
No, it has gone off. No.
It's one person that tried to present right now that kick everything away.
It's like you stop sharing your screen.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So I did not use Canva. I used another tool. So that one you can see in the course, everything that I did there is for free. You understand? For free. Free tools. You are going to get everything for free. So let's continue. Where are we? Okay, very good. Now on mobile, it looks very big. So let us change the size on mobile. And here is the beautiful part. When you change sizes on mobile, it does not affect desktop. Your desktop size will still be exactly the same. If you come back to desktop, the size is still the same. When you go back to mobile, it is still the same. So that is what we call responsiveness. Do you understand? The size you set for mobile is different from the size you set for desktop. In fact, imagine, I think for this mobile, this header size, this header width is too much. I'm going to go ahead and change this header width for okay. Oh, I think it's still in header. Go to general, and then I will reduce the header a little bit. I think this looks fine, and then I will publish. So once I publish, it looks good on mobile now. Or let me increase it a little bit. I think this is better now. Publish. It looks good on mobile now. Now if I go back to desktop, it still remains the same as I have set it in desktop before, so it doesn't change. That is what we call responsiveness. That is why WordPress is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Do you understand? So you can also mess with your menu. Okay, you can mess with your menu. Your link effect. Do you want to do underline from left, which is what I did with Nova University? If you look at that, let's look at this effect. Now when you click on it, it underlines it from the left. Underlines it from the left. Underlines it from the left. Let me show you Nova University. When you click on this, you can see that it underlines it from the left. Underlines from the left. Do you understand? So I mean, it's not rocket science. It's very simple. It's just simple, doing settings. I know there are a lot of things here. You can just come here and just mess with stuffs and really, really get to know what each of these settings do. Do you understand? There are a lot of settings here. You can choose circular, X mark, backlightning. I like this backlightning too. I use it a lot. Backlightning. I think I like this backlightning too. I like it a lot, right? And also you can customize the color of your black lightning, the color of your background, the over color of whatever. The text, this text that you're looking at that are black now, you can change it to white, you can change it to whatever you like. You can do it here, right? So that is that. Also social menu, mobile menu. Also let's customize our mobile menu. Let's go to our mobile mode now. So when you click on this is how your mobile menu looks like, and I don't like it. I don't like how it looks like right now. You might, let's see how that looks now. I'm changing the pixel. Well, no, I think I prefer the one before. I prefer this, right? If you want to select a background image for it, you can select a background image. If you want to, okay, menu style. I don't want sidebar, I want drop down. Do you understand? I want to drop down. So when you click on this, it's a drop down instead of a sidebar now. Do you understand? It's a drop down instead of a sidebar. And then I don't want to display this menu text. It will just be these 3 breadcrumb right here, right? So, and also I'm also erasing this. Okay, also this. And what do you want to make it? I just want to make it the default one, or arrow reverse, or whatever. You can I mean, this is what we're talking about. Or what do you want to make it? How do you want to make it look like, right? So mobile menu, what do you want it to be like? A lot of things. So you can change colors here as well. Mobile search, I think I'm going to disable this. If I disable this mobile menu search, it means when you open it, this search box will not be there. I think this looks a lot better now. Do you understand? It looks a lot better now. All right, you know, I've disabled search, this menu search in mobile view, so it will look very good on mobile. Do you understand? Okay, this is nice. I think I like this now. Let's just publish. Now, I'm not designing this to look beautiful. I'm just showing you guys what you can do. Right? So let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the main thing. You can also mess with your footer. All right, you can do sidebar and all that stuff. I think I've mentioned most of the most important settings. Do you understand? And if you are a coder, you want to add the additional CSS, you can click on additional CSS here, and then you can add your own CSS code here, and it will affect your WordPress. In fact, that's very beautiful. You can add your own CSS code. You can write your own custom CSS code and paste it here, and then it will reflect here. Do you understand? This is actually a very, oh Jesus Christ, what did I do? I'm coming. Let me go back. This is actually a very handy tool that I use a lot. When the certain plugin that I'm using, when it is not giving me the kind of style, the kind of beautiful style that I want, I kind of just write my own CSS code and I paste it there. And also, I told you, WordPress is built on PHP, and I'm a PHP engineer. So if there are some backend functionalities that I want as well, I can go inside the backend, and then I can trick it and then get it out. And then also, I don't want to incriminate myself. Please hope none of your family members, hope they are not policemen and they are not SARS. I want to confess something now. There are some themes and plugins that they are paid. You have to pay for them in order to use them. Do you understand? So when you download them, they will require you to maybe have a license key, or just paste a license key or something to activate it. But then this thing is built on PHP. I can just go to the backend code and go and find that part of the code that is asking me to, that is requesting the license key API. I can just find a way to disable it. Do you understand? I can disable it, and then it will work directly for me. There's a way I can do that, but it's not good. Don't do that. I'm telling you guys not to. Don't do that. It's not good. But then that's just me, sha. So yes, very good. So once you are comfortable with how your header looks like now, so let us now let's design our website to look beautiful. Now get out of here. After you've published your changes, get out of here. Just click on this X, and then you get here. Let's go back to our dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. All right, and then when you are on your dashboard, remember something. Okay, wait, let's activate Ocean Extra first. Come to plugin. I hope you have installed Ocean Extra. Just click on activate your Ocean Extra. I did not activate my Ocean Extra the last time, so I'm just going to activate my Ocean Extra right now. All right, I'm activating my Ocean Extra right now. All right, it's still loading. I don't know why this is slow. I don't know why okay, very good. Okay, it is activated. Now what I need you to do, okay, we are still on that plugin. Now we want to install a magic plugin. that will change the whole game for us. Do you understand? And the name of the plugin is called, drumroll, Elementor. Just click on add new, plugin, add new, click on add new right here. Do you understand? If you go to Elementor page directly, they will ask you to pay, but then you don't have to. Just come to this plugin place and search Elementor. So once you search for Elementor, it will bring you the free version of Elementor page builder. Just click on install, and then of course it's going to take a while, so I'm just going to sit here and allow it to install. So hope you guys are on the same page with me. If you are here with me, please just type yes. Type yes. I'm coming to check the chat section right now. Just type yes if you're with me. Destiny boy, we might not be ending by
Yes.
Okay, we might not be ending by 9 o'clock today because I want to cover a lot of things, but let's see how we go, right? So if you guys are with me, let's continue from here. Okay, I'm still installing. Mine is still installing. Please, let's just, I don't know. It's still installing. It's still installing. Yeah, it's still installing. All right. Don't worry if you are not following the class. If you are lost, I'm recording the call. Let's see. Let's make sure this thing is recording. Of course, it is recording. Yes, it is recording. So I will process the video and then I will send it. I will send it to you guys so that you can follow the video. All right. Let me see if it is done installing. It is still installing, for God's sake. Again, you have to be connected to the internet before it can install, because it is downloading this thing from the, it's downloading it from the cloud. Yes, it has finished installing. So after it has finished installing, just click on activate. Click on activate. Let it activate. Just click on activate. This thing has more than 5 million installs. More than 5 million installs. A lot of people are using this thing. I'm telling you. Very good. So you are going to have a startup wizard here. If you are here with me, yes, let's just continue. Don't click on this. We don't give it them. Just, they are just giving you their startup guide and all this stuff. Do you understand? So we don't care. Just leave them alone from here. Go to pages. Come to pages. Come to pages. Now, when you get to pages, remember when we were creating titles, we created all these new pages: services, products. And then I think we created another home. Let's dump this. We don't need another home. I think I mistakenly created another home. All right. So we have services. We created services, products, homes, contact us, about also. We now have them on our pages now. But let's mess with our home page first. So click on edit. Click on edit. Remember, we just installed Elementor. Right? So click on edit. Immediately after you click on edit, something very beautifully magical will happen right now. Just let's wait for this to load up. It's still loading up. Very good. Have you seen something that is magical? It is this button, edit with Elementor. It is edit with Elementor. Don't click it yet. Just scroll down. If you scroll down, if you have installed your Ocean WP, you should have this option here. What I need you to do is to click on this content layout thing. Click on default. Click on this thing that is saying default. Click on it right here and change it to 100% full width. Right? Change it to 100% full width. You have full width, 100% full width. So after you've done that, just click on update. Click on update. Right? So after you've clicked on update and your page has been successfully updated, just now let's click on edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. So Elementor will start to load up. Elementor is a page builder, right? Elementor is a page builder. So click on Elementor. Oh my god. Okay, remember this nonsense that we had from the last thing that we did, just delete this one away, please. Just press this cancel button, delete it away so that we have a fresh place to start with. Do you understand? So what I need you to do is to click on this folder button. Okay, wait, let me chill a little bit. Maybe some people are not with me yet. Are you guys here with me before I continue? How many of you are here with me before I continue? Are you guys here with me? Oh no, you are not installing it for every design. You are installing it one time. Once you install this one time, that Elementor thing will be available for you to do all the time. The Elementor button will be available for you to click all the time. Do you understand? So you will see that if I should click on another page down, in fact, I will shock you. I will tell you something very interesting. Do you know that my Nova University website, this website that you are looking at, okay, let me show you something. You can literally take a course on this website. If you click on introduction, let's say you click on introduction right now, you click on one of my courses, it will take you to where you can let this thing load up. I don't know, I think I have very slow internet today. All right, so it will load the lecture right here. Right? And you can click play. Once you click play, you can take the course directly from here. You can literally take the course directly from this place. Right?
Hello.
Okay, now I'm not going to play that for you here. Now, I want to tell you that I built this entire thing using WordPress. The same thing that I'm teaching you right now, that was how I built Nova University. The same tool I'm teaching you right now, that was what I used to build this platform. It's crazy, right? I know it's crazy. All this backend functionality, you are literally taking a course on a website like Udemy or whatever, EDX or whatever. I used WordPress to build it, and you can do the same too. Do you understand? So, but then, how did they used to say this adage? Rome was not built in a day, so you have to grow into it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, someone wants to join. What's that? Okay, let's continue. So from here, I hope you guys are here with me. Click on this folder button. Once you click on this folder button, I want to show you something beautiful. Now, Elementor is mad, right? See all these pro pages that you are looking at. It means you have to pay. You have to go pro. You have to pay for the pro version before they are available for you. But you see all these ones that doesn't have pro on top, they are perfectly free. If you click on them right now, this page will be available for you to use. Now guess what? Just guess what right here. Okay, let's say I think I like wait, calm down. There are a lot of them, and there are literally a lot of them. There are a lot of them here for you to choose from. Check this one out. Also see this one. In fact, I like this one. Just click on this one. I clicked on this one. I want to import this. Do you know what will happen? Right, I want to import this, but before I could import this, so you click on insert, but once you click on insert, it will ask you to connect to templates library so I can download it from the cloud. Right, so you click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will open a new tab for you to register, because I'm guessing this is your first time using Elementor. You've not registered before. Do you understand? So I already have an Elementor account. Do you understand? So I can just connect it directly with this my new site that I'm doing. But I'm guessing you don't have an Elementor account yet. So it will probably give you a place where you can register. Your own will be registered. So do the registration right now. Immediately after you are done with the registration, it will ask you to connect. It will bring you back here to connect to that website. So guys, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for let's say 1 minute so that you can finish the registration. So start doing the registration now. Start doing the registration now. Are you guys here? Are you doing the registration? Are you doing your registration? What? Really? I wrote word. Okay, check the the typography of the introduction of design. Really? Your eyes is sharp. Oh my god, it is word. Oh my god. Your eyes is very sharp. Imagine, I did not notice this. I did not notice it all this while. Thank you very much. I will fix it. And I'm Precious. What problem are you having? Mine is saying I haven't saved template yet. Where do we register? What I'm saying is that if you follow what I did right now, check this out. Let me show you what I did. Back to library. Let me show you what I did. Click on this button right here, this folder button. Once you click on this folder button, it will bring these several templates. Don't choose the one that they write pro on. That one is not free. Choose on one that they did not write pro on. Do you understand? Choose on the one that they did not write pro. Alright, let's say you like this one right here. Or let's say this one. Just choose it. Just click on it. You understand? It will load it for you. But what we want to do is to insert it. Click on this insert button. Once you click on this insert button, it will ask you to connect. Click on get started. So once you click on get started, it will take you to this page where you have to connect your account, your Elementor account, to your Elementor website. But me, I already have an account, so it is already showing me here. But you probably don't have an account yet. It will give you a place where you can click something to register. So I want you to do that. Now, guys, have you finished registering? If you have finished registering, please let me know in the chat section now so that we can proceed. Who is lost now? Okay, some people are done. Precious, what's going on? I clicked on the folder, but it didn't load. It is saying haven't saved templates yet. I don't understand though. Did you follow the process I show you right now? Don't worry, if you are lost, you will get the video so that you can follow it through. Alright, so you can follow it through. Mr. Timothy is owning light in our face. We don't know what did we do to offend you, sir. Oh my god. Don't mind me. Mr. Timothy is my oga. I'm sorry. Don't sack me. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I hope you guys you've registered, right? I hope you have registered. And if you are having issue registering, don't worry. You can just calm down and then watch the video. I will compress the video and then I will send it to you. Okay, very good. Let's continue. So I'll just click on connect. Once I click on connect, it will allow me to wait. What just happened? Okay, connected successful. Okay, very good. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, it just wrote connected successful. So if it is loading, it will probably just load this for me. And when I click insert, it is still telling me to connect. Okay, connect successful. I think I have to reload. If you're having the same issue I'm having, just reload that page. Do you understand? Just reload this your Elementor page. Just reload this your Elementor page and it will be fine. Just reload that page. You have already connected successfully here. Right? You've connected successfully here and it should reflect here after you reload. Just reload the page. After you've reloaded the page, and let's try again now. Hopefully it should work now. Choose any template you like, any templates that you feel is beautiful. I saw one the other time that is very, very beautiful. You know, there are a lot of templates here. I saw one the other. I think yeah, this is it. Just click on it and let it load. And let me click on insert, please. Don't mess with me right now. Just work. Okay, so it's still downloading. It will work. So have you guys been able to import yours? Okay. Just bear with me. It is doing a lot of things. It is crunching a lot of numbers, so it has to download all those images and all. It is still loading. Okay, very good. This is beautiful. Check this out. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, see something. Oh, hey, whoa, everybody see something. Everybody see something. Oh, this is my website now. This is my Shaku Shaku website. So, you can actually just come here and change it to whatever you like. Let's say this is an Allo Timey website. I can just say this is Allo Timey tutor. And then I can change whatever I want. I can change this background image. I can change the image here. I can change this vision. Just double click on it. Let's say I want to change this vision right here. Just double click on it, or click on this pencil button. Do you understand? And then you can now start changing. You can change this is what I want. Then you can double click. You can over this. You will have this pencil button. Click on the pencil button, right? And then you can literally just type you can type whatever you want here right now. And also this is a button. Click on the edit button. Once you click on the edit, once you click on once you click on the pencil button here, you will get this page here. So the link, where exactly do you want it to link to? You want it to link to your services page. Just write service here. Then it will give you a suggestion. Okay, you are thinking of services page, right? Just click on yes, services page. It will automatically bring the URL. If you want it to go to your Facebook account, if you want it to go to your Twitter account, if you want it to go to a Paystack page, a Paystack payments gateway page, put it here. Then after you are done, just go ahead and update. Please always update your changes. Always update your changes. You understand? After you are done, you can click on this. Let's change this background image. Just click on this thing. These six buttons here. These 6 dots here. Click on it. This is a section. So once you click on these 6 dots here, you can literally just you can see all those settings here. Click on style. This is layout. Click on style. So we can change the background type. We have different background type here. We have image background type. We have gradients. We have video background. If you want it to be a video background, let's say, don't worry, we'll mess with that very soon. But let's change the email for now. Click on choose now. Once you click on choose now, right, you have a lot of images here. All the images that was used inside this thing, it's already here. Let's say I want to change it to this image. So once you click insert, it will change the background for you. It has already changed the background for me. Do you understand? But let's say I want to use a video background. Just click on video right here. Click on video. Now the link of the video you want to use, put it here. Let me find a very sweet video on YouTube. Let me open my YouTube. Okay, I'm already here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's say this is a video I want to use. I don't know. How much is this? Okay, let's say this is what I want to use, or I want to use this. This looks beautiful, right? Let's say this is what I want to use. Just copy the video URL, and then come back to your page, and then put the video URL here. Don't forget, this is image if you want to use image. This is classic if you want to use classic. If you want to use just picture, just if you just want to use just colors, you can use color red or whatever. But what is fun in that? You can use color red and color, that's why it is called gradient, and color blue together. Do you understand? So it will show you a gradient kind of effect. Or you can use video, like me. I like videos. Videos are cool. Put the video link there. Once you put the video link there and give it a while, it will load. You see? So it is now loading that video in your background right now. Do you understand? It is loading that video in your background, and it makes it so cool and so beautiful. And then your website visitors will be like, wow, this is great. And this is where transparent header will work very fine. Are you guys with me? Are you with me? Are you guys with me right now? Like, are you with me? Very good. Don't worry, we will end very soon. Destiny Boy, we will end very soon. Alright, we end very soon. Are you guys with me? Yes. Won't that slow your site speed? You know what? It happens that that brings me to the next thing I want to say. It actually will not slow your website speed very much like that. The video will only kick in when you have enough data. Do you understand? Now, see this right here. If you want it to play on mobile, click on play on mobile. You can make it play on mobile such that when it's on mobile, it can also play too. If you don't want it to play on mobile, you can you can disallow that. And this is a background fallback. Let's say I'm on a very slow network and the network is not really loading images it's not loading the video. So you can just click on another image to be your fallback image. Just click on this to be your fallback image, such that when the video is not loading, this image should show. So in that way, even if the network is not good, I mean, look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? I'm happy. As I'm looking at this, I'm happy. Joy is coming inside my life. Do you understand? So this will be your fallback image, right? So when network is not good, this image will show. And also, what else? I think I want to mention something, but I forgot. Okay, now the next one, you can also use slideshow. Instead of using image or using video, you can use slideshow. All those slideshow that pictures will be sliding. Let's see. Just click on this. After you click on this slideshow, now click on slideshow again. Now click on no image. Click on adding image. Let's just add some couple of images. Let's add this, and I think we are good to go. Click on create a new gallery and insert. So once you insert, something like this will happen, and then we want to do the duration of how your background will change often. This is on 5 seconds right now. Let's change it to 3 seconds. It is in milliseconds, so that will be 3,000 seconds. Do you understand? And then what transition effect do you want? Do you want it to fade? Do you want it to slide right? If you change it to slide right, it means it will be doing this. It will be sliding right. If you change it to slide up, it will be doing this. Instead of sliding right, it will be sliding up. Do you understand? But I don't like slide up. I probably like fade, so that I can also put this Ken Bonds effect. This Ken Bonds effect is mad. Let me show you. If you activate this Ken Bonds effect, then this will happen. Look at it very well. Then it will start zooming in, kind of. This zooming in effect. And then I actually want the transition duration. I want to increase it to let's say I want to increase it to 1 second, so that the effect will be will show very more. Do you understand? Then the transition will occur like this. Do you see how beautiful that is? Exactly. Yeah, that's what's up. No, that's too slow. Let me change it to, I'm just going to change it to 700. Let me change it to 700. 700 looks good. Okay, very good. That is that for now. Now update. So after you update, then you will have this. Just update. Just update. You can go ahead and click on pencil button here too. Click on pencil button here, and then you can change this image as well, and so on and so forth. Of course, if it is possible that you don't really want to import a template. Now I just show you how you can import a complete template, like a complete template. Do you understand? You can import a complete template and you can edit if you are a lazy person like me. Now, if you create something as beautiful as this for someone, they did not even know that you imported it. It's none of their business. But you create this for someone, I bet they will pay you. Like, they will really pay you. But you have to do this for, all those, all the pages. They'll really pay you not knowing you just imported it. I mean, who cares? As long as my website is beautiful. So let's say you want to, you are a very creative person. You want to build your own from scratch. Of course, you can always click on this plus button. Once you click on this plus button, you can have your sections, your blank sections. So your blank section will be here. You can go ahead and click these dots that are here, and you will see the several elements. Let's say you want video. You will drag video inside. Do you understand? Once you drag video inside, you can change the video URL here into what you like, and then your video will start showing you have a video on your website. Do you understand? You can do the settings here, right? Let's say let me remove this video. It's too big. I'm removing this video. I don't actually want the video. I just want to show you. And also, let's say you need text. You draw text here. Just pull text from here and draw it inside. Let's say what you also need, you need title, header, put header. Let's say you need, what else? You need icon box, Google Map, a lot. And these are a lot of other pro things that are available for you to use. General image box. You need an image box. Just put image box, put it right here. You need an image carousel. Image carousel. Scroll down. Okay, these are pro features. Progress bar, counter, testimonials, accordion, toggle, alert, short codes, sound cloud. If you want to put, you can also install. You can also insert your own custom HTML, sidebar, and so on and so forth. Also, I think there's something I want to show you. Okay, star ratings. Star ratings. You can also put star ratings too. You can put star ratings as well. I think I have star ratings on Nova University. I have it somewhere. I can show you later. I can show you that one later. So, and also, what else? I mean, you all have it on your system. Just come ahead here and play with it. Check out a lot of things that you have. Check out a lot of things that you can do. But let me show you let me give you the good news. I want to give you a good news right now. Do you understand? Like, I want to give you a news that will burst your brain. Are you ready? Calm down. Let me show you something. Now, it happens that Elementor. Okay, let me just update this and let's get out of here. Elementor also allows you to import pages, already built pages. Like already built pages. This is beautiful. Are you guys with me? Are you guys still with me? Don't worry, we are ending exactly by 9:20 because I've not eaten tonight too. I'm sorry, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Exactly 9:20 we are ending. A lot of people don't come out. Okay, if the video gets taken down on YouTube, then you will have to go and change your video link. Do you understand? Ibrahim, I'm talking to Ibrahim. Is Ibrahim still here? Ibrahim, are you still here? Okay, very good. So if the video gets taken down, Destiny Boy,
next time.
Sorry?
Please, a question.
Okay.
Please, can I ask a question?
You want to ask a question? Go ahead.
Please, I want to know if once I've embedded the YouTube link to my site, so does YouTube credit the account of the video now?
Okay. I don't get you. Okay, you want to embed the YouTube link inside your website? Of course, you can do that.
I've embedded the link.
Okay.
And I want to know if YouTube will credit the account of the video owner once I get that.
Yes. So if you embed another person's YouTube link on your website, it's the person that will be getting the credit. Though it's not you. Do you understand? You are not the owner of the video content.
Okay.
Do you understand? You are not the owner of the video content. As long as far as YouTube
Yeah,
is
so I
concerned.
want to know whether YouTube will credit his account.
No, YouTube will credit his own account, not your own account. You understand? It's the
Okay.
person's content, it's the person's video content, not yours. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay. So Ibrahim, if it gets taken down, you have to go and change it. Though, do you understand? So you have to go and change it. But if it gets taken down immediately, since you have set a fallback image, it's that fallback image that will be showing until you go and change your video link. All right. So let's continue. In 5 minutes time, we are going to stop this class. Sorry, I know we are taking a lot of time. So let's go back. Right, let's go back and see some of our other pages. Oh shit. Okay, all pages. I want to show you something beautiful. Let's say this about us page. Click edit about us. I want to show you something very amazing here. I want to show you something very amazing. This is why I like Elementor actually. Even be like, I like Elementor. Just come over here and choose Elementor 100% full width and update. After you've updated, you can just go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. So after you edit with Elementor, I want to show you something very amazing, right? I want to show you something very amazing. And this is what I do all the time. I do this all the time. Let's say I have a blank page. This is now the about us page now. This is the about us page. So I want to create the about us page now. And then let's say after I'm done designing, or I don't even want to design, I can come over here and click on this folder button. Once I click on this folder button, and there are a lot of templates here, but I don't want any of those, I can just come over here and click on my templates. So when I get to this my templates, I've not saved any templates. Oh, I haven't saved any templates yet. Okay, this is what the person is getting. It is pages that I ask her to click, she's clicking. I haven't saved plain templates yet. Click on pages. It's on pages that you should be. If the person is still online, you should be on pages, right? So you not templates. So when you get to this template, just click on this this upload button here. It means import templates. Click on this upload button, right? Select file. So if you click on this select file, I want to show you something. I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming. What's going on here? WordPress, e-commerce, pages. Just okay. So these are already created page. These are already created pages. They are in .json. So if you click on this, and you import it, someone else created this and uploaded it online. So I went online to download it. It's a typical about us page. So I went online to download this already. See, there are millions of people, Color Lib, a lot of people that have created templates. They have created Elementor is a very popular page builder. A lot of people have created, many pages. They've created a lot of pages for you to choose from. So you can just come over here and click on about or and import. So once you click on import, you can literally just insert. So when you insert, yes, you will have it here. Already created page. So you can just go ahead and input. You can put your content, you can put your image, you can put your whatever you want. You can change your your CEO, your CTO, your whatever. You can do it here. You can do everything here. Do you understand? And let's say you yourself, you did your hard work. I mean, you are a very hardworking person. You want to build your whatever yourself. Or let's say you only like this section. You only want to use this section of this template. You don't like other sections. This section now, you don't like it. Just click on this times button. Delete it. You don't like this section to delete it. You don't like this section to delete this section as well. Do you understand? This is the only one that I want to use inside this template. I don't like this one too. Delete it. Do you understand? So I want to use another one to do the front page. Just click on this and then you can just say, okay, now I'm designing my own front page by myself. You can put your own header here. Do you understand? What I'm saying is that you can just take a template and just extract a block out of it and just put it all together to build your own website. See, let me tell you something here. Here is the hack that I use. There's no how creative you want to get creative in this life. Someone out there has already built something more beautiful than whatever it is you want to come up in your head. And there are libraries of resources out there that are free. You literally have to download them and then you import them here and you have beautifully made templates. You don't have to do the hard work. You can even download like 3 or 4 or 5 or even 10 beautiful templates, download them and then just remove them in chunk of blocks and then add it to your own website and build something beautiful. Do you understand? So you don't have to do the whole hard work on your own. So after you are done, you can update. Let's say this template is looking beautiful, you've already created it and you want to save it for later. Maybe save it for someone else to use later in the future too, so that someone can import whatever it is you've done as well. Just click on this here beside this update, click on this save option. So once you click on this save option, click on save as template. Once you save as template, it will ask you to name your template. You can name it new, about us, or whatever you want to name it, and then save. So once you click on save, it will be saved under your template. Do you understand? This is the new one I just created now. This is the one I imported. This is the new one I created. So I can literally just download it. I can export. Once I click on export, it will be downloaded for me. Do you understand? I can save it and I will have it on my system. Let's say I now want to contribute to people's life too. I want to put it online so that some other people can download it and use it too. Then I can go and upload that file. I'm going to have a JSON file. This is it. It is here, right here. It is here. Yeah, I can open it upon open containing folder. It is here. So I can upload it online for people to see, to use as well. So a lot of people have a lot of these files out there. Just do a random Google search, Elementor page templates. It is there. Go and download and use. Do you understand? So this concludes today's class. It's already 9:21. Sorry guys that I took a lot of your time. Yeah, I know, Destiny Boy, time's up. I know, right? So yeah, we are done, guys. We are done. Before we go, I want to remind you, everything I taught in this class is already here in this course. Let's say about 0.4% of what I taught in this class. That is just what is here. You understand? I just taught only 0.4% of what is in this course, in this class. So there are a lot of very beautiful things that are here. It has 9 modules. Nine modules, guys. It has 9 modules. And let me show you something. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of it. Even if you are not getting this for anything, get it for the digital marketing. Get it for the digital marketing, because a digital marketing course goes for nothing. I mean, you can check it out. It goes for nothing less than 50,000 naira in this Nigeria. Do you understand? At least that is the amount we take it in my office, 50k, right? But I just included it because it is one of the strategies that I use to get my clients, and I think it's a very good opportunity. And guess what? It's just 20 people. Once the 20th person apply the code automatically stops working. You can't come and meet me in my DM and say, Big Sam, please now. I mean, I won't go back and reprogram it. It's not possible. Do you understand? I won't do that. So once the 20th person apply, that's all. So just watch out for the link. Immediately I drop the link on the general WhatsApp group. Just click on request coupon. When you request coupon, it will be sent to your email address, and then you can come to this page and use it. Right, so check out the overview. It's approximately 61 lectures, right? And then I have 57 students right now. I have 57 students enrolled, so you are not the first person. And then you are getting a certificate. Once you are done, you are getting a certificate. You are getting a certificate once you are done, right? So yeah, I guess this is the end of the class today. So tomorrow we are just going to do a general overview of what we have learned, and then how you can move forward from there. We are going to do a general recap. It's going to be on WhatsApp. It is not a live lecture. So we are going to do a general recap of everything we have learned and how we can move forward. So thank you guys for before we go, I need you guys to do something for me. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Yes, all the courses are video. They are video lectures. Do you understand? So I want you guys to do something for me. I want you guys to do something for me. Don't worry, we'll talk about that on the WhatsApp page. All right, we'll talk about that on the WhatsApp page. Okay, guys, thank you very much for attending this lecture. God bless you. Bye bye. Don't worry, I'll put it on YouTube. I'll put it on YouTube for you guys to see. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you. Ibrahim, boss. All right. I'm going to stop.